All right. So, one feature that at least the people that I've been connected to have been using a whole lot lately, which although it may not be new, a lot of people aren't using it. What feature is that? The live redirect, aka the raid. It's a great way to keep the conversations rolling, especially if you have a big audience or a big chat going on and you don't want to just leave everybody hanging. Especially if somebody that you really rock with is in need of some, maybe watch hours or maybe just some new eyes on their channel. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that said raid, or for proper terms, a live redirect. Now, this is being done on a desktop setup. It can work on a laptop. Can it work on a phone? I don't know. But my 2 cents about everything as far as with trying to do content creation and whatever, the phone does work. A lot of people have been successful using just phones, but I mean, it's a whole lot easier from using a desktop, or even if you don't have a desktop, a laptop. And again, I'm not knocking nobody. We all got to start somewhere. But I feel myself rambling, so let's go ahead and get into how to do this live redirect. Let's try this again. This is going to be my second try at this. What we're going to do is a live demonstration on how to do a YouTube live redirect, aka what we call in these streets a raid. So let's get into it. Try to tell everybody not to tune in while I'm recording. Like, I just got really sidetracked and I just recorded this whole video, but I was sidetracked, so I wasn't recording. But it's all good. Shout out to everybody. Even though it says this is a test, don't tune in. So let's try this again. What we're going to do is got everything set up on recording. Let's hit the go live. Try this shit again. Alright, I'm live. YouTube is recording. This and that. So, whatever, you live, you talking, this and that. You want to decide whose channel you want to send the raid to, right? So, we got YouTube Studio pulled up. You go on the details under the video that you're live in, right? What you're going to do is you're going to go under customization. And as you can see here, you got all these options. You scroll all the way down to redirect. This is my other channels. Obviously I'm subscribed to myself. You can search for videos from other channels. Now what we're going to do is King Retro is the one who actually asked me for a walkthrough on how to do this. I know you could tell people or this and that, but a lot of people are more of people that need to see exactly how to do everything, which is cool. So once you go to redirect and click the ad, it says search your videos and search videos from other channels. So if I wanted to send everybody to King Retro's channel, what you do is under here, I will click on his tab right here because he's live right now. Click on that. You know, that's his live stream right there. This and that, blah, blah, blah. What you do, you click on save. Boom. And now once you end your live, whoever's channel you sent the raid to, it'll actually send everybody over that way. You know, once you click end stream, I'm not editing that out either. I hope this was pretty helpful. I know it's a whole lot going on. And because this was a test live, I'm going to make sure that I remove and, you know, delete this settings, because otherwise, if anybody's lurking in the background, it's going to go ahead and send them over to that channel, even though that's not really what I wanted to do, because this is not actually a real live. The live redirect, when I was trying to walk through it, it was actually a whole lot longer than the video that I did just record. But I did my best to try to break things down like to simplest form, step by step, and, you know, try to show how to do it. I recorded everything, hopefully, and it's on horizontal, so if at the very least you might need to turn your phone sideways, this way you could actually get a picture of the whole screen, because when you're on horizontal and somebody's watching on the phone, you know, you get about that much viewing area, so you might not be able to see exactly every place that I'm pointing out as far as with the tabs and things like that. But I think I did good enough. If not, let me know. Trust me, I won't get mad. If I have to redo it, I'll redo it, just because what good is it to have information that you're just going to gatekeep from everybody, right? You know, especially everybody that I rock with, you know, we don't even get down like that. But again, it is what it is, because there are people that do get down like that. But I hope this was informative. Make sure that if you have any other things you might want to learn how to do or need any type of information on, let me know. If I don't know, 99% certain that I know somebody that could get the answer, which I'll relay it to you, or I could connect you with that person personally. Everybody take care. I'll catch you on the next one.